Hello, next I'm going to perform a magic trick for you. Here's a deck of cards. Please help me shuffle them.
Okay.
Just check cards are there.
All right.
While you're shuffling, let me show you this. It's a small card holder I usually carry with me. It can hold some bank cards or small cards, anything really.
Yes, but...
Actually, it's also my lucky card holder. I'll tell you in a moment why it's lucky. Go ahead, pick any card you like.
Pick one right now. This particular one? Wow, that's really great.
Want to change card?
Well, this one.
Okay, do me a favor. On the front of the card, make a mark so it's unique and one of a kind.
All right.
Okay, good. Next, I'll put the card you chose into the middle of the deck. All right, don't worry about it for now. The next step is, when I snap my fingers, your card will jump to the top. The Four of Hearts, right? Yes, that's your card. But actually finding your card and making it appear on top isn't the main point today. So what's the main point? It's my lucky card case. I usually carry it with me and it helps me find my most treasured things, and it will help me find something related to the Four of Hearts you just randomly picked. Do you think that's possible? No way. You remember you picked the Four of Hearts and signed your name on it, right? Yes. You'll notice that I just happen to have one right here as well. And as it happens, it's exactly the Four of Hearts. Can you help me take it out? No way, right? No way. And it even has the signature you just made. And in this case, there won't be any other Four of Hearts in here, nor will there be your signature. Thank you. Hello. Next, I want to show you something special. Here, I have a deck of cards. Could you shuffle it first? Yes, just to confirm that it's an ordinary deck. Nothing unusual about it. It's perfectly normal. Yes, perfectly normal. That's right. Actually, let me tell you something. A lot of magicians will ask you to pick any card at random. Yes, but actually when you choose like that, there's a certain subjectivity involved. For example, I might pick a card I like or don't like. But if I have you select a card by cutting the deck like this, it introduces much more randomness, and as a result, the difficulty of the magic trick also increases. That's right, because in this situation, even the spectator and the magician themselves might not know which card was chosen. Right? Yes, it's really random, isn't it? Yes, that's right. No, that's not the issue, right? Okay, so next, before I show you this book, I want to show you my card holder. Normally, I might carry some bank cards or other cards in this holder, but today I have a rather special card inside. A prediction card. Yes, you can see it. On it, there will also be, well, you'll choose, and below there will be some information written. Wait a moment, I'll reveal it to you later. I'm not going to show you just yet. You might be wondering, what's going to happen, right? So next, the first thing we need to do is, could you help me randomly pick a card, just like we talked about earlier, using a random method? Just tell me to stop at any point as I go through these cards. Stop here, right here. Do you want to change or not? If not, then we'll stick with this one, okay? So, you randomly called stop at a certain spot. Let's see which card you picked. Oh, the Two of Hearts. That's actually a pretty good card, quite meaningful. Now, could you make a mark on the face of this card? Okay, and add my name too. Very cool, very flashy. See?
Okay.
All right, the Two of Hearts you picked at random, we'll put it right here. Push it in, good. Actually, this isn't a card-finding magic trick. Why? Because maybe from the very beginning, I already knew the card you would pick was the Two of Hearts. So you guessed it too, right? But the real focus is on my lucky card case. Do you remember at the start I said there would be a card inside here that's connected to the white card I wrote on? You remember, right? There would be one you might not know what to pick, but actually, through picking the card, you should have figured it out. Yes, if what I wrote on it turns out to be the Two of Hearts you just chose, wouldn't that be amazing? Super magical. All right, so next, let's take a look. Will it be the one you picked? The Two of Hearts. Oh, but actually that's not the most important part. The most important thing is that it's the exact card you just chose. The slightly faded Two of Hearts. And there won't be any extra Two of Hearts in here. You can keep it as a gift from us. Of course, thank you. Hello, let me ask you a question. Do you know the difference between a coincidence and a miracle? I don't know. Actually, I can tell you a story and you'll understand it very clearly. A coincidence, for example, could be that one day it's raining and thundering, and a little dog is walking down the street and gets struck by lightning. Yeah, that's a pretty unfortunate coincidence, right? It just happened by chance. But a miracle would be if the dog got struck by lightning and nothing happened to it at all. That would be a miracle. Exactly, that's a miracle. Now let me use a deck of cards to show you what a miracle is. Go ahead and shuffle the cards thoroughly first. Shuffle the cards well to make sure every card is there and that each one is different. No problem, right? If there are any issues, let me know. Then, just divide the deck into several piles however you like. Split it up any way you want. About 7 piles, right? Is that about right? Ah, right, okay, that's fine. Next, to prevent me from doing anything sneaky, you can shuffle them again on top if you want. It's totally up to you. This one goes here, and this one goes there. Alright, you did that however you liked. Actually, all these steps are just a matter of coincidence and randomness. Yes, it's all uncertain. Okay, and over here I have a card pouch. The card pouch is my lucky level 7 card pouch. I'll put some bank cards in it, and I'll also put a white envelope like this. The envelope will contain a miraculous result. Alright, I won't reveal it yet. Here, you can put it on top of any pile you like, any pile at all.
I'll put it here.
Alright, this is a coincidence. You put it wherever you wanted. Now, you have one more chance. Do you want to change your choice or keep it as is?
I really won't change anything.
Change?
Yes.
So you put it there randomly?
Right.
Alright, next, there's a card here, right?
Yes.
You placed it randomly. There was nothing unusual about it.
Right.
Now let's see what card it is. It's the 6 of hearts, right?
6 of hearts.
That's right, the 6 of hearts. And if you look at the other cards, they're definitely all different.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Just like I said. This is where a miracle happens. What if I told you I had prepared something in advance? A card. And it's the 6 of hearts. Wouldn't that be amazing?
Maybe you have a bunch of cards over there.
Actually, what you said is correct. There are indeed a lot of cards, but sorry, the second card is also the 6 of hearts. The third card is still the 6 of hearts, and the fourth card is still the 6 of hearts. This is a miracle, not a coincidence. Thank you. Hello, next I'm going to show you something a bit special. Here is a deck of cards and every card is different. Okay. And then I also have a card case. Inside the card case there are some cards. Right. Its purpose is to provide protection. Right? The card case is just to protect the cards. No problem. Go ahead and pick any card you like. Pick one. Any single card is perfectly fine. Then I want you to, yes, you can certainly take that particular card, right? Excellent. Good. I want you to carefully write a distinct 3-digit number on the very face of the chosen card. Just simply write a number, any number at all. A 3-digit number? Yes, just write any 3-digit number. It doesn't matter if it has any meaning to you or what kind it is, anything is fine. Okay, is that alright? Good. After you finish writing, just hand the card to me, because I want to help you put the card you chose and the number you wrote both into my card case. I'll help you keep them safe like this. There, put it in, put it in, put it in. Put it in, good. This way, it will be well kept and no one but you will know what it is, right? Yes, isn't that so? Alright, so what is my task today? It's to guess the number you might have written and the so-called card. Do you think that's possible? Impossible. Let me get a feel for it. Let me sense it. Actually, that number and the card are somewhat connected. Oh, perhaps it's not quite exactly this particular one. It really should be. Pretty close. I'll put it here first, then let's take a look. What are your card and number? Spade 6, 3, 7, 2, right?
Yes.
Does 3, 7, 2 have any special meaning to you?
No, I wrote it.
You wrote it randomly, but it just so happens that I also wrote 3, 7, 6. Spade 6, 3, 7, 2, spade 6.
Wow.
Thank you.